Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Trainer Dog Whistle and Clicker dog training app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Trainer Dog Whistle and Clicker is a dog training app designed to help pet owners teach obedience, commands, and good behavior using sound-based cues. The app provides high-frequency whistle tones, clicker sounds, and customizable training tools that dogs respond to during practice sessions. It's available on both iOS and Android and offers multiple sound modes to support various training styles, from recall to agility drills. The app's main feature is its dog whistle generator, which lets you adjust frequencies to match your pet's sensitivity. It also includes a built-in clicker for reward-based training, preset sound patterns, and guides that help beginners use sound cues correctly. Many owners use it as a portable, on-the-go training tool that replaces physical clickers and whistles. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenience, simple interface, and the ability to switch whistle frequencies quickly during training. The clicker is loud and clear enough for most dogs, and the customizable sound ranges help tailor sessions to different breeds and temperaments. However, there are some drawbacks. The effectiveness of whistle training varies between dogs, and results depend heavily on consistent practice. Some users report that certain frequencies don't work with their pets, and a few features, such as advanced sound patterns, may require in-app purchases. It also relies on your phone's speaker quality, which can limit performance outdoors. In summary, the Trainer Dog Whistle and Clicker app may be worth using if you want a simple, portable tool for obedience training, recall practice, or clicker-based reward sessions. However, if your dog doesn't respond well to sound-based training or you prefer hands-on tools, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.